There is a job opportunity for electrical and civil engineering students in NBCC India Limited. The name of the post is Management Trainee Civil and Management Trainee Electrical. The total number of seats available for civil engineering students are 25 and for the electrical engineering students are 10. You can also see the salary scale for this opportunity. Upper age as on closing date is 29 year for both management trainee civil and management trainee electrical. The essential qualification for the post management trainee civil is full-time degree in civil engineering or equivalent. And for the post management trainee electrical is full-time degree in electrical engineering or equivalent. You can apply for this post, or you can say the last date for online submission of application will be open till 5 p.m. on 21/04/2021. So before this date, you will have to apply for this opportunity. In addition to this essential qualification, you should have a valid GATE 2020 scorecard, because based on this scorecard, you will be shortlisted for personal interview in order of category wise merit list. In addition to this, if you are applying for management trainee civil, then you should have valid GATE scorecard in civil engineering. And if you are applying for the post management trainee electrical, then you should have valid GATE scorecard in electrical engineering. So these two are very important, that in addition to uh, full-time degree in civil and in electrical engineering, you should have valid GATE scorecard only. Then only you are eligible for uh, this opportunity. The all other information related to placement, remuneration, last date, valid GATE scorecard, fee, etc. are available on the website www.nbccindia.com under the head Career Within Human Resource, where one PDF file is available, and in that PDF file each and every information about this opportunity are given. So you must read that PDF file very carefully before applying for this opportunity.